check that out, guys. That was a gnarly spill. GoPro looks like it's still intact. Propeller, surprisingly, these HQ props, they're still holding on strong. I think I landed upside down, so most of the impact was right on the GoPro. But that's what that shit's designed for. So let's get her back up in here. And I'm noticing some radio break. I'm wondering if I need to replace my antenna. So, do you guys have a preference of flying standing up or sitting down? I feel like I fly a lot better sitting down. I could be wrong. Tell you what, I'm gonna fly this next pack, my last pack, sitting down right here on the court. And let's see if I can fly better, maybe? Okay. Let's try this shit. Well, I guess that answers that one. I fly better, maybe standing up. I'm looking for ND filters because I've lost so many ND filters here. But it looks like I was getting a little carried away, flying a little too fast, out of control, as you guys can see, way out of control, but I don't even know where it's at. It's probably in this. Let's listen real quick. It's over here. I would have turtled over, but the reason I didn't turtle is because these ND filters fly off and I can't keep losing ND filters. Because as you know, they add up. Oh, there it is. There it is, guys. Ooh. See, I could totally turtle over. But as you can see, my ND filter is gone. Fuck.